Happy New Year, my friends! Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to steam chicken fillet with Chinese sausage. This dish symbolizes long-lasting, rising, and prosperous. This dish which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Chicken breast. Chinese sausage. Thin sliced chicken breast. One teaspoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. Mix well. Soak Chinese sausage with hot water to ease of removing casing. Chinese sausage remove casing and thin sliced. Layering with 1 sliced chicken fillet and 1 sliced Chinese sausage. Steam with high flame for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Wow, looks good and beautiful. Does it look like a flower? Allow me to use this dish to wish everyone a prosperous life. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are 1,000 of recipe in my channel and daily recipe update for you. If you like cooking, just follow my channel so you won't miss them all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There is a limerick that goes like this: pork and duck sauce sausage. The local flavor is unique and fragrant. It has been passed down from generation to generation, and the taste of my hometown is heartfelt. If there is anything else that is essential during the Chinese New Year besides chicken, duck, and fish, I think it must be sausages. Its lingering fragrance is exactly what many people have in mind during the Chinese New Year. Each piece of sausage means getting taller and taller. Like Cantonese sausage with a little sweetness, people think it's a sweet New Year celebration. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.